Did I really just say crossbow? Well, opening day starts in less than a week. I have got to get ready and kind of putting it off. I don't know why. Lazy, I guess. I need to go through my gear, pack everything up, and I don't take a lot with me, but what I do take, it is necessary. So with that, this is the pack I take. I don't carry it into the woods with me. I leave it at the edge of the woods in case I do need it. It's a SOG brand. Not really a good pack for hiking. It is pretty heavy on its own, but it is built good. And like I said, I don't carry it into the woods. I just leave it at the edge. And what I carry in it is a water bladder. So this is everything I take in it, except for this. Always carry paper and a pen. When you kill a deer or a turkey or something in my state, you have to write down time, date, license number. Also, in case I need to jot down any ideas or thoughts, whatever, always take that. Take plenty of paper. Next, always take 2 lights. Take a headlight and a flashlight. A regular old. This is a Coleman. I think this is Ozark Trail. When you're going through your stuff, always check your batteries because this one is dead. Graveyard dead. Kleenexes, just, well, you probably know what those are for. I don't have to mention it. This is a toolkit for my crossbow if I take it. Did I really just say crossbow? Yeah. Yes, I did. You see, the crossbow I used was my grandpa. He has passed away in 2012. Every year since then, after I inherited it, I take it open morning. See, my grandpa was an avid hunter. He was a very good hunter. He tagged out nearly every year. And for me to use that crossbow is kind of like a little piece of my grandpa's with me. He's one of the very few people I could actually relate to. And that's that. Back to the video. Next is duct tape. Don't know why. Everybody takes duct tape. I take duct tape. Take a game bag. This is my fire kit. I always take a lighter, because why wouldn't you? And this, I got matches. This is my backup for the lighter. If both of those are wet, I use a ferro rod. And then here I've got cloth, some wood shavings. This is not char cloth. You don't need char cloth. I will make a future video on why I don't carry char cloth. I just carry regular cloth. And that's that. That's the tobacco can. And it is semi-waterproof. It's got a rubber seal in it, on the lid. That's the knife I carry in my belt. You might recognize that from Kydex video. And that is a knife I made, shoot, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 1095. Very good knife. And I also take this knife, this is backup. And this is my everyday carry. I always take my sharpening stone. This is a Smith Diamond. It's got a fine and a coarse. Also put a leather strap on it. I don't ever use this side, I will use this side. And this is an Arkansas stone. So basically I go from coarse to fine, Arkansas stone to the strap. Always take rope, just in case. A couple hand warmers. Always take my moccasins. This is what I walk around in. I wear muck boots too in the field because I have to cross water. This is a lot quieter to walk through the woods with these than it is with boots or tennis shoes even. I always take a first aid kit. Wow, that was loud. I always take a first aid kit. Got Band-Aids, rubber gloves, splinter remover, you know, the just basic first aid kit. And then this is the bag I carry on my hip. I've got a rangefinder. I only use that with my crossbow, or if I use a compound bow, which I rarely ever do. And last but not least, this is my wind checker. In this, I carry these little fibers that come off of a plant called fireweed. I like these better than using something like talcum powder. Throw them in the wind, you can watch them for probably 50, 60, 70 yards. And you just watch where they go. With talcum powder, it dissipates very quickly. This is a jacket I wear. It is Mossy Oak brand. What's it called? Breakup Country. This is probably one of the best camouflages I've found that I like. The pants I wear are the same, shirt I wear is the same. I wear a mask. I don't remember if I said it before, but I don't hunt in a tree stand. I don't hunt in a blind. I like to still hunt. For me, it's more enjoyable. I can't stand sitting for very long, and you don't really experience much when you're in a tree stand or in a blind. So I like moving around, and for me to move 20 yards, it probably takes me about 30 minutes. That's really how slow I'm moving. There will be a video on that as well. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, share, subscribe if you're not already, and have a nice day. We'll see you later.